going to look at a demo on how to create a relationship and members in the relationship and how to connect those members. So as part of CloudFulcrum sprint activities, we need to create a connection between the relationship. So in order to achieve that, first we need to create a relationship and create members of that relationship and then establish a connection between them. So how we are going to automate is using CRT, Copado robotic testing. So this enables us to automate all the cloud-based applications. So nCino is most often used by fintech companies. So in order to achieve this automation, we'll just go through this demo once. So I have highlighted a few areas from line number 13 to 37. So what it does is it creates a relationship and members in that relationship. So let's try to execute this test case. I'm logging into nCino, clicking on relationships now. I'll create a new relationship. Household is the record type, and I'm creating a member over here. This is the new relationship individual. So now we have created the relationships. Now we'll go ahead and create a connection between them. So this part is creating a connection between your existing relationships. And this is a simple sentences, English sentences. This is how CRT looks like. And it is very easy to automate. Let me execute these lines to create a connection. This is how we are going to establish a connection between the relationship. Thank you for watching the demo.